Hello everyone. So let us solve this question from electromagnetic wave asked in NET June 2024. Question ID is 705035. And in this case, a very common profile of electric field is given. Electric field polarization, that means direction of electric field is in J cap direction and its propagation is in K cap direction. So like Poynting vector S is 1 by mu naught E cross B. Okay, so electric field is in, this is K cap, this should be equal to E is J cap cross uh, the magnetic field, and the magnetic field will be in minus I cap direction. So, you know, I cross J is equal to K. So this should be the case, okay? But we have to calculate the Poynting vector S. So Poynting vector is in the direction of propagation of the wave. It is that direction in which the wave carries out the energy. So let us do that. So electric field profile is given. E is equal to E naught sine kz minus omega t j cap. We can check this. E is equal to E naught sine omega t minus k z and j cap. Okay. K z is suffix is this. Okay. And omega t minus kz. Omega t minus kz z. This profile is given. So actually we don't need to go into the details of the directions. Just we have to see that the propagation is in z cap direction, k cap direction, and changing electric field will produce magnetic field, and that is obviously given by Faraday's law. Del cross E is equal to minus del B by del T. Okay. So this del, let us write it in Fourier space. It will become ik z because of the propagation, and del by del T will become minus I omega. So it will become I kz cross E is equal to I omega and B vector. Okay. So this will cancel, and B will become, K is in K cap direction, so it will be K into E and K cap cross J cap. So it is I cap, J cap, K cap. K cross J will be minus I. So B will become minus KE, and as a vector, just I will put I cap. Okay, this is the profile of the magnetic field. Now, what is the Poynting vector? So Poynting vector S is equal to 1 by mu naught E cross B. So that is 1 by mu naught. What is E? E naught sine omega t minus kzz. And what is B? It is minus ke I cap. So just take the direction, it will become k cap. Okay, direction of flow of the energy, because it is E cross B. So again it will become k cap, and E multiplied will become E naught square sine square, and B will become ke by omega. Okay, so by omega will also come, So now let us go for the options. 1 upon mu naught omega E naught square sine square. So 1 upon mu naught omega this KE. So K is also there. So what is this? K E naught square by mu naught omega. Okay. So K E naught square by mu naught omega. K E naught square by mu naught omega sine square this. So option 4 is correct. Okay. And in the question they gave this K as KZ. So let us put the same, it will become KZ. So it is KZ. In the question suffix was there. So KZ E naught square sine square and then by mu naught by omega. And if suppose they would have asked the average, the sine square theta average is half. So that can also be a probable question. Okay. Thank you so much.